Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Atlantic, local and long distance movers near me. When it comes to moving within Atlantic, 3 Movers stands out as the go-to local moving company, and for excellent reasons. Our Atlantic movers possess an intimate understanding of the city's nooks and crannies, guaranteeing smooth and efficient relocation processes that leaves you stress-free and excited about settling into your new home. Whether moving to a new neighborhood to be closer to family and friends or upgrading to a larger home for a growing family, rest assured that our expert movers will handle your cherished belongings with the utmost care and consideration. If you're planning a long distance move from Atlantic, 3 Movers is your reliable partner, providing exceptional service and peace of mind. We understand that moving across the state or to a different part of the country can be a significant life event, and our Atlantic long distance 3 Movers are dedicated to making it smooth and worry free experiences for you. With our wealth of experience in long distance moves, you can rest assured that your cherished belongings are safe. Our extensive network ensures seamless logistics, and our well maintained moving trucks are equipped to handle even the longest journeys, ensuring your treasured possessions arrive at your new home on time and intact. What sets 3 Movers apart is our commitment to transparency and customer satisfaction. We take immense pride in maintaining transparent pricing that fits your budget without any hidden costs or surprises. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Atlantic moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.